Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 11th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yeah. The 4-star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. I will continue with these two puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've heard on the television, O.J. Simpson has died at age 76. Well. 4-star Sudoku, number 8342. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well. Not 24, but 26. Usually the 4-star puzzle has 24, but this one has 26. 26 should be a 2-star puzzle. For 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4-star puzzle, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4-star puzzle or a 2-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level of 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in the last row. No 4 in these 2 marks. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Alright. Then let me see. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. Need a 1 here. Alright, and now, need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 2 here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Need a 2 here. Well. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column next. On the last column, the only place left for 5 should be there. 4, 6, 7. 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in the last column could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 7 in the more. That box should be a 7. 3, okay. 8, need an 8 here. Let me think. Need a 9 here, okay. Need an 8 here. Okay. Need a 1 there. Come on. Well. 6, 3, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Need a 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a pair, the 3 and a 9 in this row. The 3 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright. So, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Okay. Need an 8 here. And I need no 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 in the row above, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. We need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Okay. With all the 2's. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Need a 1. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 6, 6, 6. Need a 7 here. 7. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I need a 4 here. And need a 4 here also. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 8. 1, 8, 6. 1, 8, 6. 1, 8, 6. 8, 8, 1. 1, 1. No. Well, yeah, 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5, okay. 7. Need a 7 here. 8 could be here. 5 could be everywhere. And I need a 4 here. 4. 7, okay. Come on. 3, 3, 3. Oh. Not easy at all. 1. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. Well, I need in this row the 3 and a 4. 1 and a 6. Well, we have a 3 and a 4 and a 6 here in this column. So no 3, 4, and a 6 in this box. 3, 4, and a 6 goes in those 3 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Yeah, here should be the 1. Now we have a 3 and a 4. So here should be 1 and a 6, but we have a 6 here. So this should be the 1, and that box should be 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. So 3 and a 4 are left. And the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7. Missing 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, from the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. No 7 here. No 7 here. Need a 7 here. No 7 here. No, need a 7 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this third row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and 5, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Find out 2 numbers, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, not faster than 14. Otherwise, it will be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute. with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.